Welcome back. Now it's time to test PayPal's button and test payment. So to do this, first of all, you need to add something to the cart, and then you need to place the order and follow all of these steps. And then finally, you will end up here in the payment page. Now let's work on this. Let me here refresh to make sure that the code took effect, and let me now click on PayPal's button. Let me click on PayPal. So if I click on it, a pop-up window will be displayed. And as you can see, it will be displayed here a pop-up window, but now we need to enter an email and a password. So what is the email that you need to enter? You need to enter the email that you have created earlier, the buyer email. Remember, let me show you where it is. So you need to go back to your developer account, and in your account you should look for the buyer email. So this is the business email. The business, of course, the business is not going to pay to themselves. The buyer should pay to the business. So let me go back to my account, to my apps, and go to the email. So you need to head on over to your account and then click on Accounts under Sandbox. Click on Accounts, and here you'll find your all of your business and personal accounts. So we need to use the personal account. I'm going to copy the email. You need to copy the email, this email. You need to copy it. You need to copy this email. Let me click here on View Edit Account. And as you can see, this is the total, this is the complete email ID. You need to copy this ID. You need to copy this ID, and you need to know the password, because I'm going to be using these in order to log in and test. So I'm going to copy this, and then I'm going to head on over to my website. So remember, my website, when I clicked on the button, it here is asking me to log in. So let me paste the email, and let me paste the password. So let me go back to PayPal. And here we have the password. Let me copy the password, which is this password. Let me copy the password. And let me head on over back to the website. And now let me paste the password. And let me here click on login. So as you can see, I will be logged in now, and here it says 155. So it's correct. Remember, the amount is 155. This is the amount, 155. So now the amount has been transferred to PayPal correctly, 155. So as you can see, the user can now pay using PayPal balance or Visa card or any method that PayPal provides. Let's use the PayPal balance. And then let me click on here, Pay Now. Let me here click on Pay Now. And here it says Processing. And as you can see here, it says Transaction Completed, and it returned here a number where we can use it later, but this number, this transaction completed, it means that payment was processed successfully. And it means that everything is perfect. Now what we need to do is that we need to make sure that this happened correctly. So I'm going to head on over back to PayPal. Now in PayPal, remember, we have two emails. We have the business and personal. Let's now check the balance of the business and the balance of the buyer. So the customer, this is the email of the customer. Let me click on funding and see if money went down or not. As you can see, now the balance initially was 5,000. Now the balance is 4,845. So the balance decreased by $155, which is the amount of money that the user had to pay to us in order to get the shoes. Similarly, in the in the business account, if you check the funding here, if you click on edit account, and if you click on funding, if you click, let me show you this, if you click on funding, you'll find that the balance increased here. The balance now is 5,149. Why it's not 155? Why it's 149? Because PayPal takes a commission. PayPal takes a commission. This is why it's not exactly 155. So whenever you make payment with PayPal, PayPal is gonna take a commission. I think it's 2.5 to up to 5%, but it depends upon your country and it depends upon your business. Many things can affect the amount of money that PayPal takes from this total, but you are gonna get here the amount, and it means that it works successfully. So now we know that payment was processed successfully, and the payment has been integrated successfully into our website.